Hello everyone, welcome back to Sangha. Today I'm sharing a simple yet rich and flavorful drink, saffron tea. Known for its warm aroma and many health benefits, this tea is perfect for relaxation and mood control. Let's get started. You'll need 1 teapot, 1 glass, 400 milliliters of hot water, and a few strands of pure saffron. You have to heat your water until it's just about to boil, not too hot, or it might reduce the delicate saffron flavor. Add a few saffron strands to the teapot and pour the hot water over them. Let it steep for 5 to 7 minutes until the color turns a beautiful golden yellow. That's it! A simple, warm, and soothing cup of saffron tea ready in minutes. Try it out and let me know what you think. If you love easy and healthy recipes, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Sangha. Until next time.